So welcome to this next section of the video where today we're going to be talking about templates, right? So templates are just basic things that you can just clone from specific tasks. And let's say you want something to be repeated and you don't want to actually create a new task for a second time or a third time or a fourth time. You can easily create a task and then make a template out of that task. So in this video, I'm just going to be walking you through that process exactly, right? So the first thing you're going to have to do is once you're inside of your task system right over here, you're just going to get into the project that you want to get into right here. So the first project I actually created was the first project that we have here. I'm just going to enter inside, and right inside, then I'm going to use an existing task that I have, or let's just create a new one from scratch. Okay, so I'm just going to create that here. I'm just going to say task, premium task, and I'm just going to say task description. This is a premium task. And then from here, I'm just going to assign a user, right? So to assign a user, I'm just going to say this, stuff like that. So let's just go ahead and just create that, right? I'm not going to set any ETA here. I'm just going to just make something real quick so you can actually see how we actually just do template any task we do have, right? So I'm just going to click on save right here. I have a couple of things I want so far, right? So if I just scroll down, right down to premium task right here, let's say I want to add, let's say files to this task, right? I'm just going to add files from here. I'm just going to get one from my machine. Let's add this here as a file we worked with earlier, and let's just click on attach files right here. So we have that file attached here, and I'm just going to put in, let's see what we can put in next. I think that's okay, that's fine. Let's just put a priority, let's say maybe it's medium, stuff like that. And let's maybe add a tag here and say maybe first tag, stuff, yeah. So there we go. So we have this premium task that we have right over here, right? So the next thing we can do now is to save this as a template. Very important, right? So to save this as a template, just come right over to these three dots here, click here, and then just click on save as template. So now we have this positive confirmation that this has been saved as a template, right? So what we're going to do now is we're going to just delete this task. But before deleting that, let me just show you how that looks like from here. So let's just go back. And let's head over to templates in this section here. And inside here, we're going to see a couple of templates that we already do have created a couple of moments ago. But I'm more interested into this new template I just created here, which is called premium task. Okay, so you can see the different things that are here. So there's no client that's been attributed in. So you can see the assigning here, still put Steve here, and then for tag, I just put first tag and no subtask. So this is just exactly how that template is right here. So let me just show you how that actually looks like, how we can actually use that. Let's head back over to our project section. Let's head back inside of the first project that we have here. And let's quickly scroll down. So I'm going to be deleting this premium task that I have here. Okay, I'm just going to delete that. Great, that's deleted. And to show you that's actually deleted, let me just refresh this current project right here. And then we don't see any premium task inside here anymore. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm just going to go back out, right? And then I'm going to head over to templates, and inside of templates, I'm just going to scroll down and look for that template that I created, which is premium task, right? I'm just going to click on create right here. So when you're going to click on create, you're going to be presented with this pop-up, right? This option that we have right here. It's going to prompt you to select an existing project that you currently have, right? So let's say we have a couple of projects. Here we have 3 projects. We have the video editing, we have the executive task, and then we have the first project that is here. So what I want to do is I want to clone this. I want to use this template inside of first project. I'm just going to click there, and then automatically it's going to ask us to select the next step, right? So we have a couple of steps, right? So we have those steps, we call them columns, right? Actually what we created in the previous videos. So we have new task, we have in progress, and then we have done. So I'm going to put that on, let's say, in progress, okay? So you can actually see that difference. So if I click on create task, using this template, great, that's done, that's successfully created. So let's head back over into our project section right over here, and let's get into the project, first project. Let's just refresh this. Let's check for that project out, and then we can see we have that just created right over here inside of this first project that we had here. So remember, we actually deleted this, and then we just used a template to actually have that back inside of here, right? So one thing that is good there is that you can actually create, or you can clone, or you can template this project and then use it inside of different projects that you actually do have, right? So you just have to just follow the steps we actually just did a couple of moments ago, and then if you come back here, you're going to find all the files that we actually did have. So everything comes back inside of this template we just used right over here. So I hope this video actually helped you understand what templates are, how to create templates, how to use them back, how to put them into different projects and stuff like that. So thank you very much for watching, and let's meet in the next video.